Hey guys, welcome to Sowers to Growers. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make just a simple meal. It's not even cooking. What it's doing, it's so simple. It's more like assembling a meal. So I like to call this like a bachelor meal because it's so easy. Or college students can do this, and it's very economical too. So if you have a large family, you can stay within your budget. So what I do is I have just a big box of brown rice. It's non-GMO, it's gluten-free. So, this one box will go a long way. It just takes 10 minutes to make it or to prepare it. And also I get one of these big containers of spinach. So this can make a lot of meals too. So I always like to incorporate spinach into my meals we need our greens. So this is one way just to add just those extra nutrients into your meals. So yeah, if you're running into issues where you're just trying to think of healthy meals, you don't have to go out and get fast food. This is very simple. It's very economical and it's actually very quick too. So what I do is I just boil some brown rice for 10 minutes. So I have it on the stove over here. But I've already chopped up a plate of spinach. So what I do with this is I'll add so all the ingredients, I have spinach, I have black beans, I have roasted chicken that I already diced up, and brown rice. And then this is one of my favorites, Herdez. It's just salsa. So it has tomatoes and onions. And so what I do is I'll go ahead and assemble it. So I just have my black beans, just put it all together, get my Herdez, pour a little bit on there. I don't really measure much, but just throw it all on there. Some chicken. Well, actually before that, what I do is I put a little bit of lemon essential oil on it too, just for a little lemon flavor. I'll put about 3 drops on there. And so then what I'll do is just add the roasted chicken and then the brown rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into that. So I just go ahead and add the brown rice. So the brown rice is the only thing that's warm right now. So I can either microwave it or I just prefer just the brown rice to be what's warm. Also I warm up the chicken too, but sometimes I just like it cold. So once I add the chicken onto it, it's pretty much done. I just add a little pepper to it and it's good to go. And that's dinner very quickly. And another thing that I do is sometimes when I don't boil the rice, I'll just get like Uncle Ben's like microwave rice. So it takes like 90 seconds in the microwave. So you can have dinner ready in 90 seconds. This is the time it takes to make the rice, and then you just assemble everything, and that's dinner for you. And it's very nutritious, and I eat it pretty regularly. So that's it for tonight. I just wanted to just give you a little dinner suggestion. So thanks for tuning in. Okay, see you next time.